Barkerville Historic Park and Town and Park, which does have one of the largest Chinatowns in North America. One of the original oil prints of the group of 7. It's the only oil print of Barkerville.
And everything here comes from the gold rush of the 1860s all the way up until the 1940s. So everything that is here is made of wood, especially many of our roofs are wood shingles. So they need to be protected. We do have a large repository of Chinese artifacts. Barkerville's population at the height of our gold rush was 1/3 to 1/2 Chinese, and so there are many buildings up there that are considered national treasures from the history of the Chinese people. We have a very large archive here. So the town has the buildings themselves are artifacts, and of individual items, there's probably 100,000 to 200,000 artifacts that are right here in Barkerville.